In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a flexible pattern URL redirect in Hubspot. This process is going to be straightforward and I'll guide you through each step so you can follow along easily. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Hubspot homepage, which is the central hub for all your business tools and software solutions. It's where the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your Hubspot account. You'll find the login button on the top right corner. Just click on that and enter your credentials. If you haven't logged in a while, make sure your password is handy so you can quickly access your account without a hitch. Once logged in, you'll get redirected to Hubspot Home. This is the dashboard where you can access all the different functionalities HubSpot has to offer. Now direct your attention over to the settings. Usually you'll find the settings gear icon in the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Click on it and this will lead you to a range of options that allow you to customize your HubSpot experience. In the settings menu, look for the section titled Domains and URLs. Clicking on this will bring you to the place where you manage your website's domain settings. Everything from domain connections to the website URLs lives here. Now seamlessly transition to the subsection called URL redirects. It's essential to ensure your audience is always ending up on the pages you want them to see, and this section allows you to manage those pathways easily. You're halfway there. In the URL redirect section, you'll find the option to add URL redirect. Click on it to start creating a new redirect. Upon doing so, you'll be presented with various options regarding the type of redirect you might want to implement. What you'll be focusing on for this tutorial is the flexible redirect option. Click on that to proceed with setting up a pattern redirect, which offers you the flexibility to redirect multiple URLs, fitting a certain pattern to a single destination. During this process, remember to carefully plan your URL patterns and the target URLs to ensure everything flows as you want it to. With the flexible redirect, think of it like a master key. You're setting a path that fits a variety of URLs. This option is particularly helpful when you're restructuring your site or guiding traffic efficiently. And that's it. By using these steps, you should now have a functional flexible pattern URL redirect in HubSpot. This feature can make it easier to handle a variety of scenarios related to URL management on your site, ensuring your users land in the right places efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.